Funny Snapchat ideas that will make all your friends LOL. Make an immediate impression along with your snaps. Love sending humorous Snapchat movies and photographs, however working out of nice concepts that basically showcase your creativity? Snapping the identical outdated stuff will get boring actually quick, and in the event you're a type of Snapchat customers who's attempting to keep a streak going, you are going to need to shake issues as much as maintain it enjoyable and attention-grabbing. Take ugly selfies with the lenses that warp your face. Okay, so perhaps the flower crown lens is fairly nice, and so is that different makeover lens that smooths out your pores and skin. However, let's face it, it isn't very possible that they will make anybody giggle. Put away your greatest selfie face and shove all of your insecurities apart so you possibly can totally embrace the lenses that make you look loopy and ugly versus excellent. Use them to make your face twist and warp into one thing virtually unrecognizable earlier than snapping one at simply the suitable angle. Bonus factors to you in the event you add a very humorous caption with it. Get your pets concerned. Some individuals get actually irritated in the event you're pulling your cell phone out at each second and attempting to seize all the pieces that is happening. Fortunate for you, your pet does not know what Snapchat is and sure will not care so long as you do not get all up of their faces an excessive amount of. You may mess around with lenses in your pets by first activating your front-facing digicam and holding down your face to carry up the lenses, then switching to your back-facing digicam and attempting to get the app to acknowledge your pet's facial options. Lenses are difficult with pets, however it's attainable to catch one. Snapchat now has lenses on your cat. Strive inserting your pet's face within the digicam and the app will mechanically detect its face and apply the cat-friendly lenses. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.